Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by cutting power at the breaker, and you confirm 0 voltage with a non-contact tester. This is not optional. Once power is verified, position a stable platform, scaffolding if the ceiling is high, then set an extension ladder against it. Make sure to have a helper to steady the ladder and hand you parts. Lay tools within arm's reach: insulated screwdriver, wire stripper, voltage tester, and labeled containers for screws and cover plates, so you can stay safe and efficient. With the fixture supported, loosen the mounting screws and lower it slowly while your helper steadies it. You need full control of the weight. Once down, expose the wire connections and label each conductor: black for hot, white for neutral, bare or green for ground, so reconnection is foolproof. Inspect the electrical box and mounting bracket. If the box is cracked or the bracket loose, replace it now because a solid mount prevents future failure. Keep the screws and canopy organized for reassembly. Attach the new mounting bracket to the box, verifying alignment and that the bracket's weight rating matches the fixture. Tighten securely. Connect wires by matching colors. Twist clean copper conductors, cap with appropriately sized wire nuts and tape if needed. Attach the ground to the box and fixture. Once mounted, ask your helper to stand clear, then restore power at the breaker and test the light. If it flickers or trips the breaker, cut power immediately. Check tightness, correct wiring, and intact insulation as one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.